Oh my goodness, it's so bad. There is nothing there. What is going on, Henry? What is it? It's too hot to go outside. You have to stay inside. I know you don't like it. Oh, I know, it's so bad. It's so bad. You just want to get outside? It's too hot. I can't leave you out there. Yes, it's too hot. You wanna do something inside? We can go play inside. No, you just wanna go outside? You could be a little crybaby. Yes, you are. What is your, see? You get some support. Hey. You get some support there. You still gonna cry? It is not that bad. I'll maybe take you in the car. You wanna go in the car somewhere? Yes, you wanna go in the car? I know. Let's go put some medicine on your pimples. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, I put you some medicine on. Yes, come on, let's go. Get in the kitchen. Let's go put medicine on your pimples so you can get some pug snakes. You want those pug snakes, don't you? You gonna say woo-woo for a pug snake? Woo-woo. Ah, that's good enough for woo-woo. Okay.